Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday. I'm so happy it's the weekend, yay. I think this will be like our first official vlog, like not working. So period. Hey, my house is looking a mess in the back, I'm sorry. But it's Saturday and today's my nephew's birthday party. Oh my gosh. His birthday is actually tomorrow, the 8th, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's actually tomorrow, but his birthday party is today. I just got a call from my girl and she's like, I need you to do a couple things for me. So I'm about to go run a couple errands for her and then I'm gonna go to the house and we're gonna set up for the party. And yeah, it's just gonna be like a small little gathering, not too long. And yeah, I'm just excited. I can't believe he's 1 year old. So happy birthday, Tobias. Also, this vlog will be my maintenance vlog, really my maintenance vlog, because I'm gonna be getting like hair, nails, toes, eyebrows, all that done next week. I'm gonna take y'all along like the other stuff that I do like throughout the week, but really this is for me getting ready to go out of the country. Yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping. Y'all can say hey to Graham. Say hey, what's up? You wanna say hey?
Yeah. Hey. You wanna say hey to everybody? Why your mouth so wet, boo-boo? You was drinking water? Hey. Good job.
But yeah, y'all, so enough yapping. Let's go. Hi. Yes, please. Thank you.
Now and forever, and we'll be just you and me.
Okay, y'all. Listen, the people in New Caney, Texas, man, they be honking out here, okay? But listen, what? There's a Victoria's Secret over here? Oh my God, I love this area. We've made it to Kroger. We made it to our first stop. Can y'all even see it? Right here, made it to Kroger. We are coming to Kroger to pick up balloons, I believe. I'm like, since when do Kroger sell balloons? So yeah, we're about to do that. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, they have like these little flashing lights on top of the Kroger, and I'm like, that is distracting, especially while driving. But let's walk into Kroger and go get the balloons. I don't know where the balloons are though, that's the only thing. Oh, are these the balloons? Oh, sure is. Oh, I see sporty balloons for Tobias. Oh, this lighting. Period. Oh my God, I'm gonna take a picture right here. Oh, actually, I'm next. Hi. I'm coming to pick up some sporty balloons.
What's the name?
Jeremy. She said she probably gave you my name.
Yes.
Shania. Oh yeah.
Alright, so the price tag is down here. You'll pay for it up front.
Up front.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
No problem.
These are cute. These balloons are $66.
Oh yes, you know it's expensive.
Lord have mercy. All right, we got the balloons, so y'all. It is very busy in here today. I'm just trying to find the shortest line so I can hurry up and get to the house. Where's the shortest line, man? All right, y'all, we're setting up. Shania's being a momager. Cece's here. I know this food gonna be so good. Y'all, look at him. Who told him to become a model? Got Dad over here with the table set up. Okay, table set up. My job is to make everything pretty. That's what she told me. Auntie Janice here with the balloons. I love it. cake.
We're at Gazebo Seafood House. Midtown, celebrating the doctor. And that's what it is. We about to get it in.
Cheers. Yep, and it was $3. It definitely knocked some walls down for sure.
Some Parmesan, spinach.
I never had oysters in my life. That's
good.
disgusting.
I like most.
Yeah, that's weird.
I think if I ever had to
I
try,
got that on
I'm
lock.
gonna try Tiger 2 dozen. Tiger 2 dozen.
I have never. Yeah, she's the one who was talking to
That's
us.
his nickname.
I've
Tiger.
never had
They
oysters
call it 2
before.
dozen. It's Tiger 2
Disgusting.
dozen.
I'm wearing this little tube top.
He on Richmond. I'm gonna go check him out one day. Might as well.
Y'all, my mom got James Avery rings.
I do.
You see how I got these? Look at her.
Check her out. Check her out.
She got rings. She has one of the rings that I actually want. You gotta buy your own too. Y'all, we got our food. Mom got, I am really not sure. But one thing about them girls and they daddy, they gonna get that fried basket.
Oh, he fried the.
They fried the. I know. I was like,
They fried the fries.
Ooh.
How y'all do it? What's up?
Oh, we are about to go to bumper cars in the water in Discovery Green. I have no idea. I don't know. Oh, hi, little dog. No, we out here and we're waiting. This is the line for the bumper car thing. What? You just looking at your pictures. Yeah. So we're waiting in line and it's hot. And I'm sitting on this thing and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it is pretty hot. Are you happy it's summer or like what are you excited about for
My birthday.
You excited for your birthday? Jamani's about to be 21, y'all. That's so crazy. Yeah. He's just blowing little bubbles. And we're just taking pics. Don't use all of my fan. Can you actually feel it? Let me see. Is it on 3?
Yep. But if you put it close to your face.
My butt is hot sitting on this thing. Where would we go, Monty, if we went on a vacation together? Me, you, vacation. On a plane, out the country. Where to?
Oh, you're talking about that.
Yeah.
Cabo?
Somewhere.
All inclusive.
Just make sure it's
It has to
all,
be all inclusive.
make sure it's all inclusive. Okay, period. Our first time going out of the country was for my birthday, so that was cool. Well, we've been out of the country, but like flying out of the country. So that was pretty cool. No, we've been out of the country because we've gone on a cruise. Mexico is out of the country. All that is out of the country, yeah. I went to Honduras. It was pretty cool.
We on a cruise.
We're doing bumper, whatever. Yeah, babe, practice for your yacht. Okay!
He had the pumpkin.
Oh shit, we catching all of them.
Oh, we catching everybody. Everybody's bumping us. But yeah, y'all. Here come Monty, about to bump into us again. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go for pina colada,
And they got the coffee truck.
the watermelon. Oh, it's sticky over here.
Yeah, wash it.
Oh, it's
Look,
sticky.
sticky just go over here.
I'm sad I finished mine already. It was so good.
There's no way.
When?
Zach's sitting up there, y'all. Look at that. Alright, y'all, now we at Yard House. Y'all, we ate so much, it's unreal.
Oh,
I mean, I only had like a fry. I had
I
everything.
remember
You only had water, girl.
nobody could stop.
That dessert on the way. They watching the game.
We'll give them that,
Thank you.
Thank you.
God.
You know,
Yeah.
on the picture it showed 2 scoops of ice cream.
Yeah. Wait, your name? No picture. Y'all don't need it. So that is gonna be the end of this vlog. I was able to get my hair done, my nails done, my toes done, and the only thing I didn't get done is my eyebrows, but next time y'all see me, I'm gonna have some. Yeah, I just want to say thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share my channel with all your family and friends, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Love you. Bye.